Meta introduces Muse Code, its take on a coding agent. More on that coming up, but first. After a lot of tough choices and contraction, Peloton launched its most advanced fitness equipment yet, bringing together the AI-infused movement detection of its guide cameras and its high-end exercise bikes and treadmills. The new Cross Training Bike Plus costs $2,695, plus the mandatory $50 monthly all-access membership fee. Gadget's Matt Smith spent roughly 4 months training on and living with Peloton's most premium bike to see if the company added enough to warrant the price. Head over to Engadget.com and check out the full review. And picture this. You just set up a new TV. You've been patiently waiting from the moment you ordered it to start using your living room upgrade. It's plugged in, connected to your various streaming boxes and game consoles. You're ready to binge Heated Rivalry. But when you hit play on HBO Max, the picture quality looks nothing like what you expected. In fact, it's pretty awful. Before you dive into manual adjustments, there's one setting to check because it could fix things in just a couple of taps. More specifically, the thing to look for is store or demo mode in the settings menu. New TVs often ship with this enabled, even if you didn't visit a physical store to purchase it. This makes certain adjustments for in-store environments and may even reset any changes every few minutes so the next customer who walks by sees the fresh picture as the manufacturer intended. This is the main reason why you shouldn't start making brightness, contrast, or any other adjustments before you check to see if the mode is active. There's more to this story, and you can read the whole piece from Billy Steele, along with the latest gadget news, reviews, price drops, and more at Engadget.com. Meta has announced an early beta of Muse Code, a new coding agent meant to compete with Anthropic's Claude Code and OpenAI's Codex. The new terminal-based coding tool is powered by Muse Spark 1.2, a new version of Meta's AI model which offers improvements in code generation, complex debugging, code-based understanding, and end-to-end developer workflows. Like its competition, Muse Code can handle software engineering tasks like writing code, planning changes, and validating results, making it possible to build working software with text prompts. It can also manage multiple sub-agents and delegate tasks to complete work more efficiently. Meta's announcement includes sample projects like an interactive model of a photon sphere and a Plants vs. Zombies knockoff, and a demo video of the tool building a web page based on an MP4 file. Affordability is a key way Meta appears to want to differentiate Muse Code from its competitors. The company says the tool uses the same pay-as-you-go pricing as Muse Spark by default, $1.25 per million input tokens and $4.25 per million output tokens. And in an interview with CNBC, Alexander Wang, Meta's chief AI officer, said the company would also offer a contributor tier that gets you in at a significantly lower cost. That tier would require users to agree to provide feedback to improve the coding agent, according to the Wall Street Journal, and cost 10 cents per million input tokens and 20 cents per million output tokens. Those prices are cheaper than Anthropic's Sonnet 5 model, which typically costs $3 per million input tokens and $15 per million output tokens. Provided Muse Code works well, the difference could lead companies to choose Meta over its competitors. The same logic has already proven effective for Chinese AI companies. Multiple companies switched to Chinese models like DeepSeek to avoid the growing cost of using US AI tools. Thanks for listening to the show. Make sure to rate, review, and subscribe on Apple Podcasts. Today's show featured journalism by Engadget contributor Ian Carlos Campbell and was produced by Spoken Layer. I'm Imran Sheikh, and we'll talk more tomorrow.
Spoken Layer.